Welcome to the Mystic Mondays World Tarot Card Meditation. In this meditation, we will explore themes of the World Tarot card for you to connect with yourself deeply around the themes of completion, achievement, and unity. This is the short version of this meditation. The full extended version of this meditation is available inside the Mystic Mondays Coven at coven.mysticmondays.com, along with other membership benefits. Close your eyes and allow yourself to relax by taking deep breaths. As you breathe, visualize yourself breathing in white light and breathing out black smoke. As you breathe, allow yourself to fill your belly with deep belly breaths and to slowly breathe out any stress and anxiety, allowing your body to feel lighter in this moment. And as we dive deeper into this meditation, give yourself permission to receive any messages from the World card. Simply say, "I accept," out loud or in your mind, allowing your mind, body, and spirit to relax deeper into this meditation, seeing the World Tarot card in your mind's eye. Let's begin this meditation with a body scan, increasing your awareness between your mind, body, and spirit. Imagine a light at the top of your head. It can be any color that you would like, or a combination of colors. Allow this light to scan your body from the top of your head at your crown chakra, over your forehead with your third eye, over your neck with your throat chakra, over your shoulders and chest at your heart chakra, over your belly with your solar plexus chakra, over your womb space with your sacral chakra, and over your lower back with your root chakra, all the way down your legs to your toes. Allow this light to feel cleansing as it radiates all around your body. Notice parts of your body that may feel tighter than others, and send extra light to those areas of the body with the intention of releasing pent-up energy and to provide relief, ease, and flow to those areas of your body. Now, with the World Tarot card in mind, allow yourself to feel a sense of completion and fulfillment. You've come a long way, and you deserve to be acknowledged for all that you've achieved. If you've encountered challenges, failure is just redirection and feedback. Give yourself grace for being able to pick yourself back up and improve. Celebrate your achievements and prepare for a new cycle to begin. Visualize yourself attending a graduation. In fact, your graduation. You are in line with your fellow graduates to receive your diploma. Notice your surroundings and the setting of this graduation. Are there curtains on stage? Is this celebration indoor or outdoor? What are you wearing? See yourself surrounded by loved ones, cheering you on and celebrating you. As your name is called to walk on stage to receive your diploma, see confetti dropping from the sky. Feel a deep sense of pride and accomplishment as you complete this chapter, acknowledging your growth and excited for what is to come in the future. As the confetti falls, imagine it filling you with a sense of joy and celebration. Hear the music playing in the background, uplifting and inspiring you. Think about the journey that has brought you to this moment. Reflect on the challenges you have faced, the lessons you have learned, and the growth you have experienced. Visualize these experiences as threads weaving together to form a beautiful tapestry representing the story of your life. See how each thread, no matter how difficult or challenging, has contributed to the overall beauty and complexity of the tapestry. As you continue to breathe deeply, affirm to yourself that you celebrate the completion of one chapter and the beginning of a new one, that you are grateful for the lessons and experiences that have shaped you, and that you embrace the wholeness and completeness of who you are. Now, at this moment, set an intention to integrate the powers of the World Tarot card into your daily life. As you're setting your intention and deepening your relationship with the World Tarot card, embody the energy of the world with these affirmations. These affirmations can help you connect with the energy of the World card, encouraging you to celebrate your achievements, embrace new beginnings, and recognize the interconnectedness of all things. I celebrate my accomplishments and successes. I am whole and complete just as I am. I embrace new beginnings and the start of a new cycle. I am at peace with where I am and excited for where I am going. I am connected to the world around me and the universe within me. I radiate love, light, and joy to all beings. I trust in the divine timing of my life and journey. I am grateful for the lessons and experiences that have brought me here. I am open to new adventures and opportunities. I am in harmony with myself and the world around me. I celebrate my achievements and acknowledge my growth. I am at one with myself and the universe, feeling whole and complete. I embrace the cycles of life, knowing that each ending leads to a new beginning. I am in alignment with my true purpose and live authentically. I radiate peace, love, and harmony, creating a positive ripple effect in the world. I am grateful for the lessons and experiences that have brought me to this moment. I trust in the divine timing of the universe and surrender to its flow. I am a co-creator of my reality, manifesting my dreams into existence. I am connected to the wisdom of the cosmos, receiving guidance and inspiration. I am the embodiment of success and fulfillment, living a life of purpose and meaning. Allow yourself to fully absorb these affirmations, connecting deeply with the World Tarot card. Thank the World Tarot card for delivering these messages to you today. Feel these affirmations resonating deep within you, filling you with a sense of peace and contentment. Now imagine your loved ones circling you, lifting you up, and carrying you into the sky. Feel yourself ascending higher and higher until you are surrounded by stars and galaxies representing the vastness of the universe. As you gaze out into the universe, feel a deep sense of connection to all of creation. Know that you are a vital and integral part of the cosmic dance of life, and that your presence here is meaningful and significant. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling uplifted and inspired. Open your eyes, carrying with you the sense of completion and wholeness of the World Tarot card, ready to embark on the next chapter of your journey with grace and gratitude. Thank you for being here and for making the time and space to listen to this meditation. More Mystic Mondays Tarot meditations are available to listen to on this channel, and all extended versions of this meditation, along with additional membership benefits, are inside the Mystic Mondays Coven at coven.mysticmondays.com. Sending you magic today and every day.